Just a quick video on how to replace the internal cabin filter. So to get access to the cabin filter, it's under the glove box, and you just use a pick tool. See if I can get this right. Be gentle with it because these plastics are, unfortunately, they're brittle, so you don't want to cause any problems. Okay, I think that one's good. Now this tab, I'm just going to try and put some leverage on it. They keep closing. Okay, I think that side's, yeah, that one's good to go. Now this one, just put some pressure on it. Yep, there you go. Cabin filter's in here. I've already removed this, replaced it. Went to look at the footage, I went, wouldn't you believe it? This step, I didn't switch on the recorder. So what I'm doing is I'm just repeating the process. This is a new one, but at least it shows you how it goes in. It takes a little curve of its own. This particular one is directional as well. There is an arrow indicating airflow. So we'll put this, you pull your old one out, you'll get your new one like this. Then you put it in and just curve it, and it goes into like a C shape. Push it in all the way, nice and flush. Don't let anything protrude, and you're good to go. And that's it. Cabin filter replaced. So just behind the battery terminal, behind the positive, you'll notice that if you look right behind it, just in there, you can just make out a little bit of the filter. That's the one I just replaced. Okay, so now you know where it sits. And here's the one that I replaced. Just leaves and stuff, usual road nonsense. This would be the internal side. And this is the street side. I'll be glad to get rid of that one. Okay.